Surveys. Today I'm going to show you the survey feature. A survey is a series of questions that can be compulsory or optional for the log-on process when connecting Wi-Fi users. Now let's start by enabling the survey feature. And in here I can set my survey to mandatory or optional. I can set my frequency by selecting an option for my survey. I can then add a banner to my survey. Upload my image, select and save. I can then add questions, as you can see now. I've already added one question, and I can add as many as I like. I can select, say, single choice question and ask the question, like how often do you visit cafes, with a response saying once a month. Maybe every day, or I could say once a week, so questions appear in the list here. And then I can also preview my survey, and as you can see, it's got my banner with questions that I've entered. I can then see my survey in the portal, and this is how it will display for Wi-Fi users. And then if I turned back onto my widget, you can see there's a section called Survey Data. So once the survey is active and the questions have been answered, then I can download my Excel file, and it will return all the responses for that survey. And that's it. That's how simple and easy it is to use this feature.